Today we're going to be talking about Tensor, which is an NFT marketplace, is having their season 4 of Airdrop. And today we are going to cover everything regarding it. How you can earn the most amount of points, is it even worth it, how has been the previous seasons of the airdrop, and basically everything regarding this airdrop, which is Tensor's token. But before I start, let me actually quickly tell you that Magic Eden, which is another NFT marketplace, or should I say it was an NFT marketplace, now they call themselves the home of Web3, they are having their token launch too. Here's the main thing that you need to know about that is both of these marketplaces are pretty much like competition to each other, right? So what they actually they reward you for loyalty. So if you list all of your teas on Magic Eden, they give you 100% loyalty and you get a boost. And the same thing with Tensor. So I'm going to show you a little way around this, a little maneuver you can do to kind of like get 100% loyalty and the rewards boosting on both of these platforms to get 100% loyalty on both of these platforms, which is Magic Eden and Tensor. So make sure to stick around for that. Um, F on the so if you take a look at here, the price of Tensor has been on a decline from 1.82 and $1.41 at the top to now 0.322, which is quite a steep decline. But saying that after this point right here, we could say like until here, it's because of like the initial, it happens for almost all of the tokens. But after this period has been pretty rough. But here's the thing, if you are already doing some kind of NFT trading, I don't know why you would take any trades right now in these bad markets because they're pretty much dead right now, right? They'll surely make a comeback. So maybe you're packing your bags, you want to buy some NFTs or you want to like sell some of your bags maybe. But yeah, if you want to do that, it's quite a nice opportunity to just do what you're doing and get some rewards on top of it. If you go into the rewards tab, you can see, and they have their own NFT collection, which Tensorian, I don't know what the fuck it is, but yeah, all you have to do is like you buy these NFTs and you get like, first of all, you get the boost for each tier. 10 and you can also swap Tensorians with friends, and this is like one of their new benefits of owning a Tensorian, which would help you export all your NFT transaction for tax purposes. Nothing here, but here's how you earn points, which is pretty simple. I'll get into that in a second, but there's a way to, you know, get the most out of it by getting the maximum loyalty score on both of these. So yeah, just hold on for that. So basically you fund lots with Soul or NFTs, and the more size your fund is, the more you earn. Pretty simple. Locking more active collections. Example like blue chips. So blue chips meaning like the bigger collections, right? That helps. And locking closer to the floor helps. And if a lock is taken, it stops earning points the longer. Basically, you can read all of this. I'm not getting into this, but yeah, you can just basically fund locks. And the second thing is listing your NFTs. But here's the thing that you need to keep in mind. It's only for the top 100 collections by 24-hour volume. So within the last 24 hours, all the top 100 collections which make it to this leaderboard are the only collections. If you list, you're going to get the points on there. So that's that, and you're going to, and only listings on the Tensor are going to count, which is obvious. And you can read all of the other basic simple rules. Then another thing, saying on the top 100 collections, you can bid on NFTs so that you can maybe buy it below floor, right? Pretty simple again, but if you're not understanding anything that I'm sharing right now or what I'm talking about, there's only one thing you have to do right now: comment. If you don't understand anything, like however stupid it is, just go comment. I'm down to help you. No one was there to help me when I started. So yeah, just go comment whatever question you have and I'll happy to answer you. And the other thing is market make NFTs. So no exact formula is specified, but here are some tips, right? So only orders on Tensor count. The more your market, basically I'm not getting into all of this little detailed stuff, but yeah, just basically market make NFTs, fund logs. Yeah, those are all the things that you need to do. You market make NFT, you list NFT, you bid on NFT. And yeah, that's it. That's how you're going to earn points. And the other way to do would be through referrals. So accepting a referral boosts your points by 5% forever. So, and it does not stack with the boost from staking tensors, which is something you need to keep in mind. And you can only refer if you hold the Tensorians collection. If you're a holder of their NFT collection, only then you can go and refer others. So yeah, I don't hold any of this, so there's no referral link for you. But if you stake this, the referral points basically you get like more referee points for each ascending tier. And if you want more latest information, join the Telegram channel. It's first link in the description. Just click on it and go and react to the very first message. And yeah, I'll start posting some alpha on there soon. And here's the give back. Okay, Tensor gives back, and here it's like 100% of the main funds. So during like the Tensorian mints, they've given like everything. So around 100,000 soul have been given back. So that is what give back means. You can see all of that here. I'm not getting into all of the details today because I just don't want to. It doesn't make sense because a lot of it is like basic common sense. But here's the thing, right? So as I mentioned, there is Tensor and there is ME, Magic Eden. So here's a little sneaky way you can use. Again, it's not financial advice. You should always do your own research and use on your alt accounts only. And I'm not responsible for anything that you do. Okay. But here's the thing. Here's what I've done. So, okay. So to do that, if you have, let's say, for example, 4 NFTs, instead of listing all of these into this or all of this into this, or just splitting both ways, using only a single wallet you'd get 100% this way or this way, and you'd get less loyalty percentage if you split for both. So here's the way that you can do. Use two, boom, that's it. Send two of these NFTs to one of the wallets and send another to another one of these wallet, and here connect list these. But yeah, hope you got the point. If there's anything that you want to know, comment and make sure you join the Telegram channel. And what you should be doing now is going and watching the video that's on your screen, like right now. Go click on it and watch it. Like go into the description and watch it. Oh, I forgot one main thing I need to mention.